Is music a divine gift or a dangerous distraction? Some scholars say it softens the heart, while others claim it corrupts the soul. Today, we are diving deep into one of the most debated questions in the Islamic world. Is music halal or haram? And you might be surprised what the scholars really say about it. I'm Abdullah Rahim and I'm an Islamic student. And today we are going to discuss the topic about the music. Whether you are playing the oud, vibing to an nasheed, or avoiding music altogether, this video is for you. Because in just a few minutes, we will unpack what the Quran and the greatest Islamic minds throughout history have said about the music. And yes, you will finally understand why there is so much disagreement. Let's go. Many scholars from the classical era argue that music is haram, and they had their reasons, like Imam al-Ghazali, although warned the music that distracts from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And Ibn Taymiyyah, he was more direct. He considered most forms of music sinful, especially if laying immoral behavior. They cited the hadith like this: there will be among my ummah people who will consider as permissible fornication, skill, alcohol, and musical instrument. To them, music wasn't just background noise, it was an emotional force that could lead hearts astray.
But not all scholars agreed. Imam al-Ghazali, yes, the same one, also wrote that music, when used correctly, can elevate the soul. He said, music is like a mirror. It reflects the condition of the heart. In his view, it wasn't the music itself, but how it was used. Modern scholars like Sheikh Yusuf al-Qaradawi have echoed his view, saying that music without value or lyrics and aligned with Islamic values cannot be only halal but beneficial.
Think of halal nasheeds, Quran reciting with beautiful melody, or even calming music to aid force. The heart doesn't just hear the music, but it feels it. In today's world, with billions of Muslims across hundreds of cultures, the debate continues. Some scholars permit music with strict guidelines: no immoral lyrics, no sexualized performance, no distraction from prayers or duties. Others argue that the music now being everywhere, even in aids and elevators, it's impossible to avoid. So we must engage with it ethically rather than paying it outside. So what should you do? Well, it all starts with the intention. Ask yourself, is this music helping me get closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? Or is it filling my heart with the things that pull me away? There is no one size fits fatwa here, but you can choose with your heart, guided by knowledge and sincerity. Now, it's your turn to join the conversation. Do you believe music is halal or haram? And why? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Be respectful. Let's learn from each other. Subscribe for more Islamic honest discussions and share it with a friend who is always debating this.
Knowledge is light. May it guide us all. Until next time, stay curious, stay kind, and stay connected to your deen, and Allah Hafiz.